The Government of Canada has signed a new agreement with Abbott Rapid Diagnostics for up to 7.9 million rapid point-of-care tests for COVID-19.
It's one of the most sought-after items this year, a fast, accurate COVID-19 test. Federal ministers and premiers are hailing the new tests as a game changer, and top health officials say they could be rolled out in COVID hotspots where waiting for lab results isn't possible.
The key priority is high-risk and remote settings. There may also be more high-risk exposure settings where it is really important to get that more rapid turnaround.
The Abbott ID NOW is currently used in the United States, but still awaiting Health Canada approval. The test can deliver results in as little as 15 minutes, and politicians are calling it an answer to Canadians dealing with long lineups for testing and long delays getting results.
This rapid test from Abbott is a game changer. It's an absolute game changer. I can't stress it enough.
These new tests, I think, will be new arrows in our quiver for a larger sort of scientific unrolling of how we assess and combat this disease.
The Abbott tests are PCR tests which look for the virus's DNA or RNA and are considered the gold standard in accuracy. Meanwhile, Health Canada has also released its guidelines for serological tests, rapid tests that look for the body's immune response to COVID. While they're not as accurate, they can be used for surveillance testing, seeing how far COVID has spread in a community.
These rapid tests are really useful for surveillance purposes. They are not useful for diagnostic purposes. For diagnosis, we want a high-quality test you get in a hospital with very few errors. For screening, we want a test that errs on the side of false positives, not on false negatives. And for surveillance, it can be a low-quality test.
There's also questions about home testing kits. Health Minister Patty Hajdu says Health Canada has reached out to the companies that make those tests, while regulators say they've offered to help them go through the approval process and waive some fees associated with seeking regulatory approval. But to date, Health Canada says it's still not received a single application for a COVID home testing kit in Canada. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.